Achoo, bless you, but why do we sneeze in the first place? Let's find out. Sneezing, or sternutation if you want to get fancy, is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose. Think dust, pollen, or even a strong smell. Your nose hairs or cilia detect these pesky particles and send a signal to your brain. The brain says, "Whoa, let's get this out of here," and triggers a sneeze. First, you take a deep breath. Then your chest muscles tighten, forcing air out. It speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That rush of air, it clears out the irritants and voila, no more itchy nose. Cool, right? So next time you sneeze, just remember, your body is a cleaning machine. And hey, don't forget to cover your mouth and say bless you. Stay curious, science enthusiasts.